We're getting into a floor plan that we have not seen before. This is the Altamura by Highland Homes, and this is available to build in 11 communities. But the reason why we haven't seen it is there's no model anywhere in DFW.
So this is fun.
Let's explore this thing together. This is, to give you the specs, it's a 5-bedroom, 5 full bath, 3 half baths, and it's 35 square feet, and it's got some uniqueness.
Yeah, and when I first walked in, I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but once I wandered around and spent some time in here, I kind of like it. It's got some really interesting spaces in here.
Yeah, my first impression was that seems closed off.
It feels
like
closed.
we're being squeezed in, but there's some uniqueness because of that. So excited to show you. Let's go start down here, starting with the first uniqueness. Look at, you've got all this, I don't know, like little niches and stuff like that.
Yeah, but I do like that it's got a window right here that opens so you can get a little cross breeze going if you want.
Here is your half bath.
That's a nice to have right here off the office.
And I like how they put the tile all the way up.
Yeah, that's a really
And then
nice.
you've got the office, good size. It's got the built-ins already.
This could be a library if you want instead of an office.
Exactly.
This is nice.
Good point.
I like that it's way off the rest of the house though.
Yeah, if you're needing privacy, lots of privacy for whatever reason, that is a good location for your office. Then on this side, you've got a room with its own ensuite.
Big windows.
Which reminds me to tell you guys, these this one's got a nice little walk-in. This is perfect for a guest. But on the upper series, when they have, Highland has traditionally had numbers, you know, like the 216, the 608, the 289, that sort of thing. They've recently have these Italian names, and those all are kind of your modern floor plans that they just changed. Every room, just so you know, every secondary room has its own ensuite when it has that. So as we come on through, here is your formal dining area. And I love how they have the Highland hutch just sitting there. You could fill that thing up with a bunch of wine bottles, you know, have all your decor going with the glass shelves and all that good stuff.
This is a good sized dining room. If you have a big family, this would fit them all in here.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a 10-seater table easy.
And for those that love dining and formal dinners or family dinner, this is a room. You know, like this is where you eat and break bread. This isn't like, you know, your casual breakfast area or whatnot. Here we go. Look at this room. What is that? 6 beams in here?
Lots of beams, and they've had these light fixtures in the past few that we've done too. So,
Yeah.
And we like these light fixtures.
Yeah, no, they're really nice. You've got this tile all the way up, 2 stories. You've got this mantle, nice fireplace centered into the room, highlighted by 2 big 9-foot sliders to get to that massive patio.
That's so nice.
And this backyard's really good size,
It is.
right?
And
Now,
then this kitchen is huge.
this kitchen, you've got cabinetry underneath here. This is a good 4-butt island at least. Love how it's got the waterfall edge. Just everything that you would expect in a high-end Highland home.
I do like some floating shelves on the sides. I think that's pretty.
Yeah, it's got
Here's
this nice tile all the way through, even on the seals. It's just a really nice, thoughtful design. It looks very traditional, very like this is something that a lot of our clients build, and this is how they kind of design it, right? It's not over the top, it's just very functional and classic.
Yeah, and tons of cabinets, and I mean, I would never be able to fill these things.
No, there's so much. There's so much. I mean, there's so much cabinetry. And then here's your breakfast area. This is where all the kids, you know, your daily kind of breakfast, you know, that sort of thing, getting ready to go to school. This is built in 11 different communities, if memory serves, which I will put in the description all the different communities. You've got a Costco approved snack closet. It's not as big as some of the others we've seen.
We've got a nice mud area that comes in from the garage right here, and then laundry is right here.
Laundry, you have a spot for your fridge, which I love. You can never have too much refrigeration, as I say. So let's go through here. Oh, we haven't even looked at the media room, Patrice. Look at this media room. What do you think?
It's just a media room. You know, I'm like, it's a square space in here. They didn't add any fancy sconces or anything, but the nice thing is you can add your own.
Yeah, but I mean, they've got it set up and designed for your TV on this side, but it could support, you know, a good 100-inch TV sitting right here. You get the whole movie experience for those movie nights sitting here.
Nice big sectional.
Yeah, with your kids, just having those memories. You know, we help a lot of young families move into North Texas, and we are past that stage, right? Our youngest is graduating college here very shortly, and those days, having a media room, I'm telling you, don't lose sight of the importance of that time with your kids, because one day they're not there. So here we go into the primary. You've got your, again, bump out, which bumps out the extended patio, the whole 9 yards. Very important if you're gonna choose to build. It gives not only all that natural light, but it just extends that living space. You've got vaulted ceilings inside of this primary. And then that leads you right into the ensuite, which is the car wash shower, which you know I absolutely love. It's got the soaking tub with plenty of room to get behind here and clean, so it's very practical layout. You got your two vanities separated by the kind of makeup section. And again, plenty of drawers. What do you think of this color combo?
I wouldn't choose it, but I like it. Does that make, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I think it's really pretty. I do like the chevron tile that they have going all the way up. I think that's pretty.
Really nice.
I think it looks pretty though.
Well, you got a deep closet for linen.
Oh, you
so
do?
You can put some other stuff in there, and then you've got your closet.
It's just like all the rest of the Highland homes that we've seen here in Mosaic, and they've got, I mean, plenty of space for everything you need.
I like it. I like it. All right, let's go into that patio, because that thing is oversized. Okay. Let's see what that's all about. Look at this, Patrice.
2 fans. You know it's a big patio when you have 2 fans.
And look at here.
Oh, an outdoor
What do
bathroom.
we have here? Another half bath.
This is nice. I'm gonna show the backyard a little bit here, and then I'll be back for the half bath. But it's a good sized backyard. Put that pool in and then come on over to your half bath.
Hey, even if you don't put a pool in, the idea of having a half, you know how many times you're sitting here watching the game or whatever, commercial comes and you gotta haul yourself back inside and do all that. Having that right there is...
It's real nice, yeah.
That's golden. You've got your gas stub right here, so I would L-shape this thing with a nice outdoor kitchen, but plenty of, this thing is deep enough to put a good sized pool in. Excuse the construction. But yeah, there's lots of privacy here. I like it. I like it. Let's go upstairs.
Okay, so we come on in and you have this huge game room with these big old windows and the nice bench seating right there.
Yeah, I like that. I haven't been up here, guys, truth be told. This is the first time we're seeing it together. Love how big and open this is. Got your high ceilings, all that light coming through. I like how they have it blocked off for the most part, yet still have this design, so you're not gonna have as much noise pollution going in downstairs.
But I don't think it matters because you're gonna be watching TV in that media room down there, so it doesn't even matter now.
Good point.
And then we've got a bedroom right here, which is super nice. It's got 3 windows. kind of at two different sides of the house, which I like.
Yeah, I like how it's off on its own.
We got a window in the bathroom.
I like that tile, that square. It's kind of a new
It does
version
remind
of the
me of my
old school.
childhood.
Yeah.
And then we've got some more on the other side.
All right, let's see what we've got going. Okay, I love that tile, that subway tile that you can see that blue.
Yeah,
Kind
it's
of steel gray,
really
kind of
shocking.
bluish.
I'm gonna go show that though in a second.
Okay.
I'm gonna show this first little bathroom here, which is your guest bath.
Yeah.
And then if you turn around here, you've got another room, but you want to go through this little hall?
Well, you know, and when we were walking, I thought this was part of it. I didn't even realize this was in a room. That's incredible.
This is its own room. Like, here's the bathroom, and then if you were to close this door, you've got like a whole room for somebody.
Yeah, I would have loved this as a kid.
Oh, I know.
Walk-in closet. I mean, this is just screamed with that blue. This thing would be all decked out with all my Michael Jordan posters and all that good stuff as a kid. That's what I would have.
All right, then we can go down this hall. And we've got this bedroom.
I like how they're separate.
They're doing a good job, Highland is, of keeping everybody kind of in their own little space.
Okay, so this has got the bathtub and that tile, that childhood tile, the modern version of it.
And then I'm gonna go over here where I can see, and then there's the bathtub. And then behind me is just a little closet. Although it's not that little, it's a good size. It's a great house.
And I love the view from the front, looking out.
Yeah.
You know, that's what this developer, the Telus Group, does a really good job with their green space and their open space. It just really makes it like that natural feel all throughout the community.
Which is great for walking.
It's great for walking, it's great for resale. They hold their value extremely well. So if this house is of interest to you, like I said, I think this is the only one that you can ever see. So we're probably the first to show you this model all throughout North Texas. So if you like that, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. 75% of you that watch this channel are not subscribed, and we bring you videos just like this every single day at 5 p.m. If you do have any real estate needs in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in 2026, make sure you hit that dream home form when you are ready to make a move. We will reach out to you. We will try to set up a Zoom, and we will have that consultation and get out and show you guys personally all around to make sure we find you your dream home. We've helped hundreds of families do so. We did so 20 years ago ourselves, relocate to North Texas, and we absolutely love helping each and every one of you. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.